Is making a blanket right over the valley and some clouds rolling in. That's what kept temperatures much cooler than what we were seeing this time yesterday. And unfortunately, still calm winds, just 8-mile-per-hour winds right now here in Bakersfield. So that means another day tomorrow, actually the fourth day in a row of air quality that is unhealthy for everyone, with an AQI of 156. And just a reminder that there is no burning for all. So the air quality warning that has been in place for over a week now will be in effect until at least tomorrow at 10 a.m. We'll continue to track that to see if it does need to be extended into Wednesday. But we continue to see the very low humidity values in the teens up in the Kern River Valley as well as in our desert cities. So that means we will be seeing an elevated fire risk tomorrow afternoon, mainly in our mountain communities, bleeding a little bit down into the desert. But we are tracking a storm that will be making its way into the region on Wednesday. Actually looks like we'll be hitting Kern County on the overnight hours on Wednesday. So we are looking at some rain chances here in the valley. We could be seeing anywhere from a trace up to a few hundredths of an inch and a little bit more in our mountain communities. And then that will be continuing into the early morning hours on Thursday. But by the afternoon, it's drying up just slightly. So we can see that winds are picking up significantly overnight on Wednesday through the passes as well as into our desert cities. But just keep that in mind because Wednesday is a very busy travel day, so the roads could be slick. So make sure that you are packing your patience as well as some extra water just in case there is some traffic along the roads. And then you can see that by 5 a.m. we do see that those rain chances starting to clear out just slightly, but the winds do pick up in the evening hours on Thursday. So we have 50% chance of rain Wednesday evening, continuing into the early morning hours on Thursday. And then Friday, we are tracking a second storm that will be pushing into the region. It looks like it might be staying to the north of Fresno, but that doesn't mean we won't be seeing just a little bit of rain, but we could potentially see some fog. So just keep that in mind if you are traveling back to the county on Saturday and Sunday. But temperatures are going to be dropping to the 60s, even 59 degrees on Friday. Kern River Valley is going to be at 58 on Thursday for Thanksgiving. They are going to be having a better chance of receiving some of that rain as well as those very windy conditions. So exciting, but travel plans, not the best.
No.
I mean,
just making sure you give yourself extra time in case you face any of those obstacles.
Best day still to travel on Thanksgiving if you got to go somewhere somewhat close by. Yeah.
Well, that's good news because it looks like the rain will be moving out by the early morning
Perfect timing.
hours.
Fingers crossed.
But speaking of Thanksgiving, if you want to give back this season, give back by donating to the cookbook. We made cookbook recipes to the rescue. So many great Thanksgiving recipes as well as Christmas peppermint bark, one of my favorites.
Desserts, right? You got some pies in there too.
And all proceeds go to the mission at Kern County.
100% go back to the community.
So it's for a good cause. Allison,